Well, I hate to say this, but there was no other way or other place for me to show you this over the toilet storage unit. I'm sitting right here in the throne, as you can see, and I'm here in my bathroom, which is my office bathroom actually. So that's why it's a little bit cramped over here, and I had to close the door and put the phone over there just to show you this one properly. But this one, as you can see over here, I'm sitting perfectly on, in the throne, as I was just telling you before. And you have this one, which is about like 26 inches wide by 63 inches tall. Super easy to assemble. I think it took me, I want to say probably about like 20 minutes or more than that. So it's super easy to assemble. But now let me just get out of the throne over here and take the phone and show it to you on a closer look. So as you can see over here, you have a place right there dedicated for like towels or things like that. Or you can also use this one right here. That I didn't want to use them because I have nothing to put over there, but you can use these hooks and just put them right there on top. And then you can mount the whole thing to the wall if you want, if you don't like it to be like super flimsy or something like that. But let me show you this one right here. It's not flimsy at all. It's not very flimsy, as you can see over there. And I'm not even using the bar. Let me actually close this one up. I'm not using the metal bar that goes right there because I do have one of the kind of like the connections over there. So it's just right there what this the bar should be. And these ones, these shelves, they support like 22 pounds each. And you can see that these ones are really good for like decoration purposes. Like, well, if you have one of this, could be really good to have it for your guest or something like that. But again, this is not a super big unit. As you can see over here, 63 inches and 26 inches wide. So just make sure that your toilet is gonna fit. But this one, you can see that fits perfectly. With the two shelves, the metal structure, and some accessories and things to put over there. I like it. Super nice decoration. I'll give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.